So guys, I want to show you how to add auto caption to your videos and how to edit it like a pro. You get my point? You know there is a difference between you adding auto caption and you editing your auto caption. Now let me explain. On Capcut right here, if you add auto caption, that particular template you use to add auto caption to your video, that is what's going to run through your video from the beginning to the end. You get my point? Now people will be able to detect this is where you did this, but there is a way you can tweak it that people will not understand or will not know that you are using Capcut to do this auto caption. You get my point? So that is why I want to show you the two steps. Number one, how to generate auto caption. Number two, how to tweak it, how to edit the auto caption. So I have a video right here which I talked about YouTube automation. You get my point? So let me play the video so that you will see it when I did not add the auto caption and after I added the auto caption. So guys, people are cashing out. People are cashing out on YouTube. You get my point? This is the latest update using AI to generate videos now. Guys, this is the latest update. So I just discovered this and I have to bring it to you. Alright, so you just listen to that video about YouTube automation. You get my point? So that's not what I want to teach you guys today. Now let's add the auto caption to this video. You get my point? So at this point, you see where it says caption here below. When you click on caption, you will see now. You will see when you click on caption, you will see where it says enter caption. Now this is if you want to enter it manually. You get my point? But we are using auto caption, so this is auto caption, and this one here is caption template and so on. So you click on auto caption. When you click on auto caption, it will bring you here. Now on your own end, where it says spoken language here, mine is on English, but yours will be at auto detect. You get my point? This one here, and so you can set it to English depending on the language you want your caption to be. You get my point? So now these are the templates. You click on this button here to show you the templates we have. So I'm just going to select one template. Now you can select any template. You get my point? So I will just select one template. Look, I'll select this one, then I'll click on this button. So the template I just selected will be right here for you to see. Now you click on generate. Like I said before, this template as it is now, this is what's going to run from the beginning to the end of the video. You get my point? So without you doing anything on this template, everything will remain the same. Now it's generating the caption, and the caption is generated now. And once it's generated, you give some seconds so that the font will be applied. So just wait a little, you see the font is going to change depending on your network. You get my point? If you have a very good network, it's going to change. So look at it here. So as you can see, we've generated the template. So look at it here. You get my point? So I can change the font. If I want to change the font now, it's just to tap on this font. When you tap on the font, you can tap on edit. You get my point? Now tap on this again. You get my point? Then tap on AA. This AA you see right here, it's going to take you to this particular page. So you click on font. For example, you can use another font like this one, this. So look at it, just applied. You get my point? So you can apply all of this. You can use any one, any font, and it will be applied. But this particular one you just did here will be applied to all. You get my point? It will be applied to all of this throughout the video. You get my point? Throughout the video. But there is a way I can tweak it that I allow it to apply. Maybe on this update, like this update now, if I click on this and then click on edit, then on the update, I'll tap on the update, then I'll highlight it, I'll tap and hold the update to highlight it, just like this. So when you tap and hold it, you click on this AA, like capital letter A and small letter A. Understand? When you tap on it, it will bring you to this other page. Now you still go back to that update, tap on the update again, highlight it. When you highlight it, you are going to have something like this. From here, we tap on font. So now you can change the font only on the update. You get my point? So let's check on another font. Maybe I want to use let me look for another font that is not similar to the other one. Okay, let me say I'm using this one. Let's allow it to load. So I will come here, I'll uncheck this box. You get my point? Then I'll click on OK. When I click on OK, then this is what we are going to get. Now let's play, let's see where the update is. Now as you can see, the update has changed. It's only the update that has changed. So you can use this one too. You can change the color. You get my point? You can change so many things and make your auto caption different from others. You get my point? It will just take a little time. Though it's not every word you say you will have to work on. Some words that you know that are important, like very important words, you can use it, understand, to make your work very neat. You get my point? So let me add another one. I don't want this video to be very long, so that you will understand that there are things you need to know on this Capcut. Capcut is very big and very large, understand? So we are still discovering things day by day. So I believe you've learned something today, and I want you guys to like and share this video, because I'm going to export this video right now. So if you want to learn how to edit video from scratch, guys, I'm ready. I'm just right there. You can DM me, send me a message on my WhatsApp. You get my point? And also for the YouTube automation, if you want to learn how to create a faceless channel and be posting videos and getting content ideas using AI, guys, I can teach you, understand? I'll teach you how to do that. So all you need to do is to like and share this video and comment. See you in our next video.